Hello everyone, today I'm going to test the pocket microscope from Carson. It's the model MicroFlip. I'm going to show a little bit the usability, the function of it, and of course if you have any kind of questions about it, then write it in the comments below. If you wish to support me and my channel, then subscribe to this channel. Let's now jump into it. Hello and welcome back. Included inside the box was the specimen slide here. And this adapter here for your smartphone if you want to record something. Keep in mind this pocket microscope needs a AA battery here, but it's not included inside the box, what means you need your own here. Now to the usability. For the usability I was going a little bit above the surface to see if there's anything sharp here where we can get injured or scratch on the skin, but there was nothing. The only problem what I saw here is it's full made out of plastic here, but it's absolutely slippery in the hand because it has nothing here with anti-slip material here. Yeah, that means it's absolutely slippery in the hand and can fall down to the ground and get damage here. There's definitely an improvement in the point of usability here. For the cleaning, I can only recommend to use a wet piece of a cloth here and a little bit of a soap here, but don't use any kind of aggressive cleaning agents here because you could easily damage here the plastic here. For the function, we have here the LED light button. Then we have here the zoom button where we can zoom it from 100 to 250. Under the zoom button we have here the focusing regulator button here. On the left side we have here the UV light button. Below that we have here the base plate here where we can put the specimen slide here in. On the back side we have here the battery case for the AA battery here. And yeah, that's it with the function. Let's now jump into the test. Before I begin with the test, I just want to mention if you have any kind of questions about this pocket microscope, then just write it in the comments below. And of course, if you wish to support me and my channel, then subscribe to this channel. For the test, I prepared here blossoms of two different flowers here and one leaf here. Now the first part of the test with one of the blossoms here, and yeah, it's on the 100% zoom here. I have to change here a little bit the focusing here to get a more clear picture here. It's now better. Oh yeah, right now it's perfectly. I'm going to zoom it in right now a little bit closer to 200 here. I'm really impressed with the zoom function and the quality what we can see here. For the second part of the test, I have put a little bit flower seed here on one of the specimen slide here. But first of all, I have to change here again the focusing here because it's so blurred here. I'm going to move a little bit the plate here. And yeah, it's much more better here. It's more clear. By the way, it's absolutely amazing what this little pocket microscope has for a function, zoom function, and this kind of a quality of a zoom here and picture. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, the half of it, maybe on 200 or 160. No, on 240. And yeah, the test is passed. It works all well. And yeah, if you have any kind of questions about this pocket microscope, then just write it in the comments below. And of course, if you wish to support me and my channel, then subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys on the next time. Ciao.